Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hope all of you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, many times when we converse in English, we don't find the right alternatives and we keep on using the same words time and again. So what happens? It leaves a very monotonous effect on our listeners. Repeating the same words affects our efficiency and the listener expects a better replacement. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a list of synonyms or alternatives for the word beautiful, as it's a very common and widely used word. But before I begin, I request to please like and subscribe my channel. So let's take a start. Dear viewers, there can be certain ways to describe a word. Here, I'm going to show you a list of synonyms for the word beautiful. For example, you can replace this word by the word charming, pretty, captivating, fabulous, marvelous, glamorous, magnificent, nice, cute, fascinating, divine, elegant, appealing, lovely, handsome, delicate, alluring, graceful, gorgeous, good-looking, angelic, superb, stunning, attractive, and adorable. So in this way, you saw that I discussed 25 words with you through which you can replace a single word, beautiful. So dear viewers, I hope it would have added something to your knowledge, and next time, whenever you have to use this word, I hope you are going to use one of these synonyms or alternatives. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.